Alright, what's up guys? I'm doing a continuation because it's hard to do it while recording. Alright, you can see me, oh my god. Alright, so I got this right here. I'm gonna try to show you that you see this this thread right here? It's inside, so I stuck it through the top. Like when I started pushing it in slowly, it got squiggled up and stuff, and it just like bunched up. I took my nose pliers, stuck it in there slowly. It didn't fit all the way, but still, I used like a screwdriver to take it out, and I pulled it out with the nose pliers. So I have a piece of tape on it, don't forget. And once this comes down, I could open it, put the taped wick, the tip of it is taped, so once I do that, I could pull down the string to guide it down. Hope it works. Worked the first time. So I'm pulling now. Come on. You gotta play around with it, you know, you can't just do it first time. Sorry guys for the camera angle. Is it coming? Oh, you see it's getting stuck. Crap. See, sometimes it could bunch up on top, so you just have to straighten it out. Just pull it so it gets long and just continue pushing. It's better if you push and turn. It'll get in better. I just needed just to show out a little. See, now the string came off, I'm screwed. Not really, but still. It's inside. I have to try to grab it. One second, guys. I don't like to make a lot of YouTube videos. I'm just trying to make this because nobody puts videos up like this, and that pisses me off sometimes. Like, they have videos of Ronson lighters, but they don't have videos of how to put them in. Cause it's tough. I'm not gonna lie. Wow, it's right there. I can't even take it out. See, my string came off. I got screwed over. I could bend this if I go in slowly. See, yeah, you can see it moving a little. This is the most annoyingest part, to stick the wick inside. You know, you want a new wick, you don't want no old used one, so. I try to turn it around when it's inside. This video is becoming way too long. Oh, I know what I need. My mom's tweezers. You could probably use that. He'll probably take it out because it's smaller. It'll fit through the hole. But I don't want to pause the video. Come on, get out. Alright guys, give me a second, I'll be back. I got the tweezers. Bite. Wasn't that faster? There you go, it came out. So you just push the top. See, now there's a problem, it gets stuck. Because the metal gets all tangled up. So push it out. Alright, so once it's in, just keep pulling. Keep pulling till you get the wick you want. But I usually cut it after because it gets messed up on top. So now you can take off the tape. One second. Okay, it came off. Alright, once you do that, you put this to the side. Get some wool. Oh, my camera's falling. Put this to the side, blah, blah, blah. You take some wool, like rip it off. Bite. So what I like to do is just take it, start pushing it in with this. Let me get something else. Take a screwdriver or something thin or whatever you want that could fit through the hole, and just start sticking it in there. Try to put it to the sides, every other side, because you want it to go all over the place. If not, it's gonna leak. And trust me, there's a lot. Look how much came out from the old one. That's a lot. Alright guys, so that's all. You start pushing it in, and after you push it in, not all the way, not too much, you just take the wick and just start pushing the wick inside, and then after that just put more cotton on top. Put some oil, put a new flint inside, stick it on top, inside, close it up, and you're good to go. That's it. Thanks for watching.